Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious tacos on your Blackstone Griddle. First, get your griddle ready by preheating it to a consistent medium-high, typically around 375 degrees F. This temperature is ideal for even cooking. While it heats, prepare your ingredients. This includes your seasoned ground beef or thinly sliced steak, and of course, your tortillas. Make sure your favorite taco seasonings are within reach, too. We're aiming for efficiency and flavor here. With the griddle hot, apply a thin layer of high-smoke point oil to a designated cooking area. Avocado or canola oil works perfectly. Carefully place your seasoned meat onto this oiled section. Use your griddle press or two spatulas to quickly break the meat into small, even pieces, ensuring it cooks thoroughly. Continue cooking until the meat is beautifully browned and completely cooked through, stirring it from time to time for consistent results and a perfect texture. While your meat finishes cooking, prepare the tortillas. Shift them to a slightly cooler section of the griddle, or simply reduce the heat under that area. Place your corn or flour tortillas directly on the griddle surface, allowing them to warm through for about 15 to 20 seconds on each side. If you're making cheesy tacos, now is the time to add a generous sprinkle of shredded cheese onto the warming tortillas, letting it melt until perfectly gooey and delicious. With the cheese perfectly melted, it's time to assemble. Scoop a generous portion of your hot, cooked meat directly onto one half of each cheesy tortilla. Carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over the meat, gently pressing down with your spatula to form a neat taco shell. Let these assembled tacos cook for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side, allowing the tortilla to develop a delightful, light crispness. Once your tacos reach that ideal crispness, remove them promptly from the griddle and arrange them on a serving plate. This is where you personalize them. Add your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, finely chopped onions, a sprinkle of cilantro, or a zesty squeeze of fresh lime juice. These griddle-cooked tacos are best enjoyed immediately, so gather your friends and family and savor every delicious bite together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.